What's important is the story, the message, the feeling, the connection. It's design.
You go, oh my God, how am I going to solve this problem?
I really want to affect as many people as possible.
Honestly, nobody wants authenticity.
Tastemaking takes time. So if you get it wrong, you get it really wrong.
It's the best storytelling product we've ever done.
It was widely discussed that I had pushed it too far.
What are you going to make the audience feel? Something true.
It's the kind of shit we do.
I wanted to make something that would excite people about the future.
All I care about is what's happening on the page.
What can I make next? That drive never goes away.
You're looking for a moment when you feel you're as close to the soul as possible. That's what good design is.